your infant. And we're going to place our stethoscope there, and we're going to listen for 1 full minute. Now, an infant's heart rate can have sinus arrhythmia, where it's irregular because their heart rate can be affected with the respirations, where their heart rate will actually speed up and slow down with respiration. So that's why you want to count for 1 full minute. Now, counting an infant's heart rate can be difficult because it is fast. And one thing that I have found that definitely helps me is I find that heart rate, and then I tap my finger along with that heart rate and count. And our infant's heart rate here is about 142.
Okay, so that wraps up this video.